artists and musicians, I know a lot of you guys are at home right now doing nothing, trying to figure out what to do with your time, not promoting your music, maybe writing plastic horses like this one, or maybe you've learned how to juggle, or maybe you've learned a new language. Hay una changa embarazada en el baño. Or a lot of you may have even started your own lawn mowing business, but none of that matters if you're not promoting your music. See, a lot of you guys are like Harry over here. Say hello, Harry.
Howdy, y'all.
Now, how long have you been sitting there, Harry?
25 minutes.
A lot of you guys that are watching right now are doing the exact same thing that Harry's doing.
Ain't that the truth, Kristine Mirelle?
You can call me Kristine.
All right, Kristine Mirelle.
Now, instead of wasting time doing stuff like this, you could have already have submitted your music to 4,592 blogs and magazines and Spotify playlists that all play music and publish music from independent artists like yourself. And in fact, I put together a list of 4,592 of them. And if you get just one of these blogs to publish your music, you'll potentially reach hundreds to thousands of listeners overnight. So if you're an artist that wants to get your music out there, don't be like Harry.
Hey!
Check the description, click on the link, and let's get your music out there.